Ever wondered why the Margherita Pizza is so loved? Let's explore the secrets behind this iconic Italian dish. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon instant yeast. 1 to 2 teaspoons salt. 3 to 4 cup warm water, about 110 degrees to 43 degrees. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 cup canned San Marzano tomatoes crushed. 1 clove garlic minced. Salt and pepper to taste. 8 Oz, fresh mozzarella cheese sliced or torn into pieces. Fresh basil leaves. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil for drizzling. Let's start with the dough. In a large bowl, mix the flour, instant yeast, and salt. Gradually add warm water and olive oil, stirring until a shaggy dough forms. Knead on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours, or until doubled in size. In a small bowl, combine the crushed tomatoes with minced garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to the highest setting, usually around 475 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees GC to 260 degrees Celsius. If using a pizza stone, place it in the oven to heat. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and transfer it to a floured surface. Divide it into 2 equal portions. Roll or stretch each portion into a 10-12-inch circle, creating a slightly thicker edge for the crust. If using a pizza peel, sprinkle it with flour or cornmeal to prevent sticking. Place the shaped dough on the peel or a baking sheet. Spread a thin layer of the tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a border around the edges. Evenly distribute the mozzarella cheese on top. Carefully transfer the pizza to the preheated oven or onto the hot pizza stone. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling and slightly browned. Once the pizza is done, remove it from the oven and immediately top with fresh basil leaf. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil for added flavor. Allow the pizza to cool for a couple of minutes, then slice and serve hot.